Hello, welcome to Tejus Education. We have to work hard to achieve success. Today's video is based on the topic jute textile. It is from the lesson Manufacturing Industry, subject Geography, class 10 CBSE board. Jute textile industry. India is the largest producer of raw jute and stands at second place as an exporter after Bangladesh. These points are important to be noted as they can be asked for MCQs. Why most of the jute mills are located in West Bengal, mainly banks of the Hooghly River in a narrow belt? As we have learned in this lesson that industry is always located near to the area where raw materials are easily available. Now let us learn all other factors which are responsible for jute mills location on the bank of Hooghly River. Proximity of the jute producing area. Jute mills are located near to the jute producing area. Inexpensive water transport. Water transport is the cheapest means of transport. Even though the dock stations where the ships are docked, they need maintenance. When compared to railways, they are way more cheaper. The maintenance of rail tracks, etc. They are supported by a good network of railways, roadways and waterways to facilitate movement of raw material to the mill. So the transport system is very efficient and plays a very crucial role in an industry's function. Abundant water for processing raw jute. This also we have learned, the physical factor. Raw material, water, power. Cheap labor from West Bengal and adjoining states of Bihar, Odisha and Uttar Pradesh. These are the human factor. Kolkata as a large urban center provides banking, insurance and port facility for export of the jute goods. So urban center densely populated. So they facilitate with so many services such as banking, insurance and port facilities. So this is an important question. Please do learn nicely. What are the challenges faced by the jute industry? Stiff competition in the international market from synthetic substitutes, man-made substitutes, and from other competitors like Bangladesh, Brazil, Philippines, Egypt, and Thailand. As the demand of jute product is high, due to the government policy of mandatory use of jute packaging, the products need to be diversified. Now the plastic is banned, so if you are going to a grocery shop, you need to carry a cloth bag or a jute bag. Moreover, the products are already diversified. We find a lot of ladies' bag, jute bags, shopping bags, bottle bags. As government is doing their share as citizens, as the future of tomorrow, you students also have to increase the usage of jute and jute products. Describe the future of jute industry in India. In 2005, National Jute Policy was formulated. The objective was to improve the production of jute, quality of jute, as well as to provide good price to jute farmers. There is an increasing demand for jute in countries like United States, United Kingdom, Ghana, and moreover, the global concern for biodegradable products, environmental products, has opened up opportunity for jute products. Let's go through in detail. In 2005, National Jute Policy was formulated with the objective of increasing productivity, improving quality, ensuring good prices to jute farmers, and enhancing the yield per hectare. Per hectare means measurement of the amount of agricultural production harvested per unit of land area. So here we are trying to improve the production hectare wise. And the main markets are USA, Canada, Ghana, Saudi Arabia, United Kingdom and Australia. The growing global concern for environmental friendly biodegradable material has once again opened the opportunity for jute products. Hope it is clear. Thanks for watching Tejus Education video. Please do subscribe, like and share. All the best for your upcoming board exam. There is a button to subscribe. At the end of this video, you can subscribe or you can go to the channel Tejus Education. There also you'll find an option subscribe. You just need to click it. It will be done. Thanks again.